NPA eyes legal action over leaked affidavit implicating EFF's Malema and Shivambu in VBS scandal. By Satori News. In an unfolding development that grips the South African political and financial discourse, a leaked affidavit involving the collapse of VBS Mutual Bank has sparked controversy and a stern response from the National Prosecuting Authority, NPA. The affidavit is said to implicate two senior figures in the Economic Freedom Fighters, EFF, party leader Julius Malema and Deputy Floyd Shivambu, in relations to financial crimes through Skamaka Projects, Pty Ltd., overseen by Shivambu's brother, Brian Shivambu. The backlash from the NPA has been swift, with spokesperson, Advocate Mthunzi Maga, denouncing the leak as a threat to the justice system and the safety of those involved in the high-stakes investigation. According to Maga, the exposure of such sensitive information could derail the meticulous and secure strategy employed by investigators and prosecutors. It is a sentiment that acutely illustrates the delicate nature of the multi-layered process that underpins justice in complex corruption cases. The narrative takes a more dramatic turn with the conviction of former VBS chairperson Shivambu Matodzi, who, facing a myriad of charges, has been sentenced to an effective 15 years of imprisonment. Matodzi's plea agreement and the consequent sentencing by the Palm Ridge Specialized Commercial Crimes Court does nothing to quell the clamor around the alleged involvement of other prominent figures. As the NPA mulls over legal recourse to address the leak, Matodzi's fate sheds light on the potential consequences of those implicated. The sentence also raises questions about the role of high-ranking politicians in the scandal. Malema, who has been a vocal proponent of his innocence, cryptically refers inquirers to the archives, a move that further mires the situation in mystery. The shockwaves of the scandal are not confined to the corridors of the NPA or the EFF. Opposition parties like Action SA and the Democratic Alliance, DA, are seizing upon the revelations with their own calls for justice, demanding expedited investigations and accountability. As this story continues to unfold, South Africans look to the authorities for clarity and action. The political and legal ramifications of the VBS saga are profound, striking at the heart of the financial integrity and political accountability that underpin the nation's democracy. The coming weeks are sure to be punctuated by updates, analyses, and perhaps even revelations as the country collectively holds its breath, awaiting the next turn in this scandal-ridden tale. Thank you for choosing Satori News.